chapter. Path, said the woman, but then next came a shop with large maps in the window. The sign on the shop was geography shop, means geography shop. He felt more nervous than ever. Geography was not one of his best subjects, means that boy doesn't know much about geography. A huge man came running out. Stop, I am Zog. Zog means geographer. The geographer. And then I have three questions for you. First, now he was saying that he want to ask three questions from that boy, then only he can pass away from there. So his first question was, what are three geographic nation we like best? Geographic means African nation. So Jack brightened up, said Zaire, Zambia and Zimbabwe. Right. Second, what is the name of Zambia's great river? The Zambezi. Splendid. Zambezi are usually used for two rivers, Mississippi and Amazon. Now, splendid, said that man. You could have done better if you were a Zulu. You must have got Z grade in geography in school, but now be careful. What are the two greatest rivers in the world? Jack was scared, but the rules. There is the Mississippi and the Amazon passed. At that moment, they heard the rumble of a motor overhead. Rumble means a thundering sound of a motor. Now Zog pointed, there goes Zismund, the seventh, zooming back to the zenith ziggurat in his zeppelin. As he zigzagged along, Jack realized how hungry was he when suddenly he saw a coin laying on the ground. It must be a Polish coin called a zloty, and it's sure to be made of zinc. Now all I need to buy is a snack. Now that boy got one coin also now because he was feeling hungry, so he was thinking to buy a snack from that coin. By this time he heard by this time he had reached the gates of Zanzibar, sent in a huge wall. In front of the wall was a shop with a sign, Zinzi's snack stand. There he met Ziggy, who said, stop, you have to buy and eat our national food. Do you have some money? Yes, sir, the boy replied. I have a zloty. Splendid. In the case, you can have our national dish. Zack saw a bowl full of what looked like boiled green pumpkin. Then he remembered what it was. This is zucchini, said Zack. The smart boy, said Ziggy. Now you will eat zucchini with zest and zeal. Zack was so furious. He banged the counter and said, I am all this way, and I answered all the silly questions. Now I am starving to death and I want a burger. The thunder sound made Zack reel around. The great gates of Ziggurat was swinging open. Zismond and the Zeven came rushing out with a squad of mean-looking soldiers. Zentry Zuiker, eat your zucchini, roared Zismond. Zismond angrily said to that boy, ki, eat your zucchini fast. Nothing doing, I hate zucchini. The boy replied, I hate zucchini, I hate this land. I want to go back to America. Zismond reeled back and hauled with weight. Hauled means a loud sound. Back. Now you have done something unforgivable. You have used an A bird in front of me, that man said. Then that boy said, I don't care, I want to go back to Auburn. Another A bird, take him away. Or better yet, put him in a cage and take him to the zoo. No, I answered all your questions. The boy said, I answered all your questions, so I should be allowed to go home. Then that man said, silence. There is a way out. You can ask me question about Zeta that I can't answer. Then I can let you go home, said Zizmond sillily. Means sillily. Silly. I shall give you 10 seconds. That man said ki I am giving you 10 seconds. You should ask me a question related to Zetabet that I can't answer. If I would be not able to answer that question, then you would be allowed to go your home. Then Zack turned pale and snapped his finger. I have got it, he said. Can you recite the Zetabet? Then that boy said, Ki I got which question I have to ask. He said to that man, can you recite Zetabet? Then man said, of course, that's easy. Backward, said Zack. Backwards? Now Zismond turned pale and stunned. Well, yet of course I can, cleared his throat. Means उसने गला साफ किया and he start reciting. A B C D F. No, it's not right. A B C D G. Wrong again, said Zack. I am going. No, wait, shouted Zismond. A B C D E F G H M L. Oh, that. Zack opened. Zack's eye popped upon. Popped means a small explosion sound was there. To his surprise, he was back home in his own backyard and glad to be there in Appleton Avenue in Auburn, Alabama in America. So finally that boy was back at home.